Slime Princess, you're alright. Flame Princess, you're okay. Blueberry Princess could be better. All of the princesses are pretty alright, but